Hey everyone, welcome to ePython Lab. In today's video, we're diving into the world of data to explore two often confused terms, data analysis and data analytics. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the key differences, but also how these concepts apply in real-world scenarios. So let's get started. In the age of big data, understanding the distinction between data analysis and data analytics is crucial. Both are essential tools in a data-driven world, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to extract useful information. It's all about exploring data to understand patterns, relationships, and trends. Imagine you're a detective, but also instead of solving crimes, you are uncovering insights hidden in your data. Let's say you run an online store. You want to understand your customers' buying behavior. So you analyze your sales data to find out the average purchase value, the most popular products, and the time of day when people shop the most. This is classic data analysis. The primary objective of data analysis is to provide insights that inform business decisions. It typically involves summarizing past events and generating reports that help stakeholders understand their data. Common methods in data analysis include descriptive statistics, data visualization, and exploratory data analysis. These techniques help analysts summarize data and identify patterns without complex modeling. To perform data analysis, you'll use techniques like descriptive statistics, which summarize your data, and inferential statistics, which help you make predictions or test hypotheses. Visualization tools like charts and graphs also play a key role in making your findings understandable. If you analyze customer satisfaction scores, descriptive statistics might show the average rating, while inferential statistics could help you determine whether a new product feature significantly improves satisfaction. Now, let's talk about data analytics. This term refers to the broader process of using computational tools and methods to analyze data for actionable insights. It's not just about understanding the data, but about applying it to solve specific business problems. Imagine you are a marketing manager for the same online store. You want to predict which customers are likely to stop buying from you. This is where data analytics comes in. You would use predictive analytics to forecast customer churn and then create targeted campaigns to retain them. The key objective of data analytics aims to drive actionable insights that can influence future strategies. It focuses on leveraging data to predict outcomes and optimize processes, often using advanced algorithms and machine learning. Data analytics employs advanced techniques such as machine learning, data mining, and big data technologies. These methods allow analysts to uncover deeper insights and make predictions based on large datasets. Data analytics can be categorized into four main types. Descriptive analytics, which tells you what happened. Diagnostic analytics, which explains why it happened. Predictive analytics, which forecasts what might happen. And prescriptive analytics, which suggests what actions to take. So, how do data analysis and data analytics compare? Data analysis is more about understanding and interpreting data. It's like looking at the past to see what happened and why. On the other hand, data analytics is more about applying data-driven insights to influence future outcomes. It's about using the past to predict and shape the future. Think of it this way. Data analysis is like reading a book to understand its story, while data analytics is like using that story to predict what happens in the square and even influence how it is written. Let's bring these concepts to life with real-world examples. For data analysis, consider analyzing customer reviews to understand common complaints. For data analytics, imagine using machine learning to predict which products a customer is likely to buy based on their browsing history. Whether you are doing data analysis or data analytics, there are powerful tools available. For data analysis, tools like Python, R, and Excel are popular for statistical work. For data analytics, you would often use more advanced tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark. So you are analyzing customer satisfaction surveys in Excel. That's data analysis. But if you are using Tableau to visualize customer trends and make forecasts, you are diving into data analytics. Both data analysis and data analytics offer immense opportunities, but also come with challenges. For example, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, and ensuring data quality is critical. However, the ability to make data-driven decisions gives businesses a significant competitive edge. In summary, data analysis helps you understand what your data is telling you, while data analytics uses that understanding to make predictions and guide decisions. Both are essential in today's data-driven world, and mastering these skills can significantly enhance your ability to make informed strategic decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into AI, machine learning, and data science. Got questions or topics you would like to us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.